You guys might have saw my last video on Velocity Pro Gear moving into the United States market, coming very soon. This is December 2025. By the time you watch this, it may already be in. I don't know. It's coming in a few short weeks. I want to go over this bag with you. I bought my first Velocity bag. They shipped it to me. I liked it so much. I'm working with Velocity now. They're sending me some bags. They're not paying me anything. These are my own thoughts, my own reviews. They're not paying me a dime, but I want to show you this bag. There's nothing that grows more excitement for Velocity Pro Gear moving into the United States than this bag. This is the BP50. BP meaning backpack bag. It's full of features. I'm gonna get you guys up in the air. We're gonna look down. It's gonna be a quick video, but open both sides, let you see the pockets that's inside and some of the innovations that they put into this thing, such as this. It's a light built into the bag. Where else you gonna find that? Hang on. Okay guys, so we're gonna start out with the outside of the bag. Like I said, this is the BP50. It's got a hard shell case here. Unzips, you got two neoprene pouches here and plenty of room to store whatever you want to store in here. This is be for cell phones, maybe even some meters, things like that. You got plenty of room to spare if you want to put meters and a cell phone in here. This does have a Velcro front here, as you can see. I've got this little USA flag on it. This is the Shadow Black edition, so I wanted to go with this kind of silver and black. It is right here. You can see it's got badging on here. This is the 50. This is BP50. This is Velocity Pro Gear. Right here is a light. You press it once, it comes on bright, low, flashing, red, and off. Now, as you open this here, by the way, these latches, you just grab a hold and pull. Grab a hold and pull. And they come off. They are magnetic, so when you want to reattach them, they just automatically reattach. That's some of the innovation we're talking about, right? So, pull down, this comes out, and you can come in here and pull this light out if you want to. This light has USB charging. So very easy to recharge, very easy to get out. You got plenty of room in here to put, I don't know, laptop, iPad, papers, whatever you want to put in here. Or you could even put some tools. Like I said, you want to put them back. Just very easy, attaches like that. On this right side of the bag, you've got three pockets, more badging here. These pockets are a little bit smaller than the middle one here. Whatever you want to put there, this would be perfect for a pair of long needle nose, whatever. Over here, you've got a tape loop and this pouch. This is a, I would think it's made for a hammer. You can put whatever you want to in here. You also got a tape clip here, and you got more pockets on the side here for pencils, nail sets, you know, what have you. So on the back, as you can see, this is all kind of soft, cushiony feel that supports the back. These straps here are, it feels like a gel or a very soft form. You could tell that's going to be very comfortable on your shoulders. It's got some little stripes here so you don't get run over in the middle of the road. Up here, you see that? It says push up. What you do is you pull it up, it releases. And this is how you keep most of the weight on the bag. When it's full, all the weight is held by this clip right here. Very strong metal clip here. Then you can open the bag from there. So that's basically the outside. Let me get you guys up and we'll take a look down, and I'll open all of these up. We'll take a look inside. Okay, as you guys can see here, we got this smooth bottom. Unlike some of them have the treads, this is actually smooth, very hard. On this side, it goes up 4 inches, and you've got rivets every couple inches all the way around. Now, on the side, it's a little angle. It's 4 inches on this side. It's 2 inches on this side. I don't know what that's for. You got these little rivets here. I guess these little flutes here add rigidity to it. But, I mean, this bottom's not going anywhere. It protects you from water, grease, whatever you want to set it in. Okay, guys. So now you're up. Let's take a look at this again so that you can see it now. This is that hard shell case. You can see here's your neoprene pockets. This is, you know, you can put your meter, whatever you want to in here. Very nice size. Here, again, you pull up. I'm sorry, you pull down and up, down and up. This comes out. You've got loops here. You got 4 loops up top. You got 4 loops down here where you can put whatever you want to put here. Up here is where you can access your light to recharge it. When you want to put this back, you just simply, it just clicks automatically. It's just unbelievable how easy it is. Okay, we open this front pocket. You come down here. You got 2 zippered pockets with this little webbing on top. Large zipper pockets. You can see here, plenty of room here for whatever you want to put in here. Now, as you can see here, you've got 4 small pockets. These are those structured, very rigid pockets. Then you got 4 neoprene pockets that are soft and flexible. You come down, you have 1 pocket here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 6 pockets. On front of these 6 pockets, you have 3 more larger pockets. And then in front of that, you got 3 more larger pockets. So you got plenty pockets here for tools. I would say this is your main hand tool and meters, whatever you want to put in here. You got plenty room in here. We'll go to the back, and after you've released this, after you've been carried in the backpack function, here. As you can see here, you've got another large pocket. You got a little business card case here, whatever kind of identification case you want to put in here. You have a pocket here that has elastic in it, bunched up so you can really fill it full. Back here, you've got 1, 2, 3 large pockets, and these pockets have a very soft finish on the inside. I don't know what it's like. It almost feels like a cashmere. I'm sure it's not cashmere, but that's what it feels like. Now, this one, you can actually pull out. And if you want to put some power tools, whatever you want to put, you have plenty of room on this hard bottom here. Up here, again, you've got another zippered pocket. And when you want to put it back, you see you have this little sleeve here that fits in. Easy as that. Then when you get ready to use the backpack function, you see this says push up. You just push up, and this locks into place. Now you're locked and ready to go. Got plenty of adjustments here on the straps. I tell you, this bag here, this thing is nice. I wish I needed it. I don't need it. My son is an actual low voltage electrician. He does a lot of installs in outside the country, a lot of DOD, and he's going to be using this bag for the next year. And I'm going to have a report back every 3 months and tell me how it's holding up, what he likes about it, if he would like to change anything. So be on the lookout for that. Other than that, that's the BP50, guys. We'll see you next week.